We are currently sitting in a $500,000 short trade over on Blowfin, expecting lower prices to come into play. I warned you about this in yesterday's video that I am shorting Bitcoin. This is why. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet for these daily video updates, I don't know why you are not. I'm giving you guys exactly what I'm doing day after day. In today's video, I'm going to show you what I am looking at for downside targets here. What I need to happen for Bitcoin to stay bearish short term, and where my invalidation points are to flip bullish again on this. If you're looking to get short with me, I will show you some entries that are setting up here beautifully. But you guys saw the thumbnail already, and you know what time it is, because Bitcoin just hit everybody with the there she goes. There she goes again. Yeah, baby. Man, sometimes we're just good. Sometimes we're just good. If you've been following this channel, you know the calls we've been making lately, and we are running hot. Let's get into this. Bitcoin, I mean, right now, guys, we're touching off this trend line. We're tapping the trend line. You know your trend line traders are out there.
We hit it once here. We hit it twice. We hit this trend line so many times. We're going to bounce off of it. We're going up. We're going up, guys. I'm long in this.
Amateurs. Yes, this can bounce right here. This very well could hit to the upside. I'm not saying it can't. But I just know there is so much liquidity down here under this trend line waiting to get eaten up. I do have take profit zones in here. I already took profit on some of this trade. But a nice take profit zone is right down underneath this trend line for me. I have some fib targets down there that I want to see tapped. But I'm going to show you my ultimate take profit zone on this trade. So what are we looking at for Bitcoin? What are we looking at? Before we get into the ultimate targets and the trade setups for you to entertain, join the free Discord linked and pinned in the first comment down below. I have my trading course for free in there now. Like the video if you watch the course. Like the video if you're going to watch the course. I made it free for everybody. Go and get an overview of how I trade. And once you are in the free Discord, if you want access to my daily alerts, in yesterday's video, I'm telling you, I set you up for this short play, right? Stop loss was right above the high. Some people got stopped out. I somehow remained in the trade, barely. But to those that got stopped out, last night I gave another entry point for them because I was still bearish. We still have this ABC shape that I drew up in yesterday's video. We still have the ABC shape. Where did I draw it up? Where did I draw it up? Where did I draw it up? Right here. Overall, we were playing this as an ABC to the downside. I still have that ABC shape, and I still want to come down here. So I gave everyone entry points, and this morning I also gave them another entry point even after we pushed down lower, and we can all see how that played out as well. So if you want access to the daily alerts, 24/7 live Elliott wave charts, my indicators, full access to me in the chat, go to upgrade here when you're in the Discord. Use the code 30OFF for $30 off of your first month, and this code expires in 2 days on Friday. So if you want to give it a try, now's your chance. Click the link. It links directly with your Discord. It's so easy. I'll see you in there. Now, if you are not short yet, it is okay. It is okay, my friends. There will be more trades. What I am looking at on Bitcoin, I'm zooming out slightly. We're looking at this entire leg right now. The entire leg up from our low at 52,641. And stay till the end of this video. I will show you some trades I am looking at if you are looking to get involved. Right now, where we stand, looking at a WXY. I want to come and take this freaking high out. Can we do it, please? Can we do it? That's what I want to see. Now, how do we get there? I have a WXY drawn up. I was looking for an impulse originally to get us there. Didn't work out, but we were long from down here, long from down here, long from down here. Closed out of the trade once I saw this consolidation going. 20K profit, 25K profit, whatever it was. Happy with that, right? We are short from here. I will be looking to enter back long down here if we get here. These are where my targets are going to be. I'm going to go over that in a second. But for right now, we are sitting short, and I'm looking for this Y wave to finish up. We have an A. We have a flat B. I'm expecting this to come down lower so that when we extend up, we can hit our 1-to-1 fib target of this, right? If you guys want to learn what I do, just run through the free course, learn Elliott wave theory. That's all I got to say to you. This changed my life. This changed my life. And there's no going back. There's no going back. That's what I want to see, right? So for this to occur, for it to hit the 1-to-1, it would have to come down to like 60.5K, 61K. 786 is fine to hit as well. So yeah, we don't got to come this deep. But for this flat correction to be valid, you want continuation. Usually you're going to see the 1618 box get hit before everything. Let me get rid of some of this. Too many fibs. Too many fibs. Usually you're going to want to see the 1618 box get hit. I will have take profits in here, guys. If we get down this far, if we bump through this trend line and get down this far, I am taking profits on the way down. I don't hold the entirety of my trade. Ultimate target's going to be down here at the 2618 box. Extended C wave on this bad boy. That's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking at. Then we will look to flip long. I will look long in this area. Come back into this nonsense. Yeah. Look to ride this up to 67K. That's what I'm doing. Let's go smaller time frame on this. Smaller time frame. We're pushing up off this trend line here. We'll see what happens. My stop losses are set. I'm in a winning trade no matter what. It's good. I already took profit on this sucker. If you guys want to trade on Blowfin, pinned in the first comment down below is the link I hooked up for you. You will get $100 refunded on your first losing trade of $100 or more. So if you want to try them out there, no KYC in there, what everyone is using to trade on now because they're simply the best no KYC exchange. You get $100 refunded on your first loss of $100 or more if you use that link pinned in the first comment. Go give them a try and try to outtrade me. I dare you. Let's go smaller time frame on this. Analyze this wave down. Look for invalidation points and possible entry points on a short. Before we get into that, I need to show you guys the bullish scenario. Now, if we do pull fibs on this flat, right? How you count this flat is very much up to interpretation, but from my experience, we have a flat right here. We have a correction up, so those are both corrective waves. The correction up broke the high. We do have signs of a finished impulse down to our fib targets here, guys. To our fib targets. This very well could reverse or come down slightly, and we could see reversal right here. You need to know that. You need to know that. We don't have to come down to these targets. I would like to see it, but you need to know we can reverse here and go up for our finishing leg. But for me, this isn't deep enough of a reversal. I would expect higher prices. And I'm not expecting higher prices, so I want to see this deeper. That's my train of thought with all this. But yeah, we could bounce off the trend line. We could quickly break the trend line and of course reverse, and we're ready for that. We're ready for that. You got to be. It's just not my plan. So the plan is to take this down right into this fair value gap area, right up in here somewhere. And how do we get there? How do we count this? Well, I got a one wave finished here. I got a flat for a two wave. I'm looking for 3, 4, 5, right? Flat, probably like that. Let me get rid of this phallic looking object. Alright. Anyways, this is the general structure I want to see. Just simply drawn. An impulsive wave to the downside to be our C leg. As we know, a flat C leg is going to be impulsive. Correction down, correction up, impulsive down. Zooming back in. What you usually want to see is we have our 1-2 put in. This is another 1-2. As you know, our third wave should contain 5 waves in it. So this is the 1-2 of that. Maybe we come up for some more, right? Maybe we come up in here. 3, 4, 5. Boom. That's what you want to see. Flag out, wave 4, down for one more. So in theory, what you usually want to see as an Elliott wave trader is the 1-2 trend line to hold. You usually want to see this. It's usually not a good sign for it to break above this trend line. It can. Complete invalidation would be a break above this level here of a 1-2 situation. So around 64K, depending on what exchange you're on, is going to be complete invalidation for a 1-2. I'll be watching this level very closely if we creep up here. I'll tell you right now. I want to see this trend line hold. If I'm not in a trade, I'm looking to short this sucker. Looking to short this sucker. Something like that. Depending on how quick this wave comes up, where it hits this trend line, I'd be looking to short the trend line. Could have a quick, there's no guarantees in trading, guys. Could quickly break the trend line, stop everyone out, and then come down. You really don't want to see this get taken out. If we creep up, it would be valid putting in another trade here, stop loss above here for a 1-2. Boom. Right? That's what I'm looking at. Long trades, yeah, you could try your luck with the long. Hope this trend line holds that we drew up. Feel like the trend line's going to get broken at least. I would really try to look long. Right up in here if we're looking long. Don't hate it. 62.5. Don't hate it. It's just not what I'm playing and what I'm doing. But if you're bullish, that's where I'll be looking. Alright, guys. I hope this video helped. Subscribe for daily updates. I'll see you over in the premium Discord. And we'll get jiggy over there. I'll see you on Blowfin. Make you some money. I love you all. Trade safe. Bye.